Most offices run into the exact same issue when it comes to meetings. They drag on because the tech doesn't work, the cables don't match, the screen is always freezing, and everybody in the meeting is always asking what is going on. So what if your conference display can actually be as smooth as playing with a tablet, and fast and powerful enough as a computer, and smart enough so you can do all kinds of presentations, remote meetings, brainstorming sessions, all in one place. And this might be one of the cleanest office upgrades that I've seen in a long time. My name is Santi with the Tech Utopia team. Today we are diving into the Horion M6A Pro. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we're taking a look at the Oriana M6A Pro, a professional smart whiteboard and interactive display built specifically for office teams who want to work faster, collaborate easier, and run meetings without the usual tech headaches. And when you bring this thing into an office, it already feels like a serious piece of equipment, a sleek bezel, thin frame, clean design, and it looks like something straight out of a modern conference room. And it's available in big sizes from 65 all the way to 110 inches. So whether it's a personal office, a mid-sized conference room, or a large boardroom, there's an option that fits. Let's go ahead and start off with the feature that every office needs: the instant wireless casting. There is no cables, no HDMI adapters, and no IT guy running into the room. And anyone can walk into a meeting and cast from their laptop, their phone, their tablet in seconds. From Windows, the Mac, iOS, or Android, everything just works perfectly fine. It's great for brainstorming sessions for client pitches, and this alone just saves you so much more time. And then we got the 50-point multi-touch whiteboard for collaboration, and this is where the M6A Pro really shines. The whiteboard feels instant, the smooth writing, zero delay, and up to 50 simultaneous touch points, which means that the whole team can collaborate directly on the board. And you can write, highlight, drag files, erase, or brainstorm together, and it feels like using a giant tablet. Up next, we got the built-in EDLA certified Android system. Because it's EDLA certified, you get the full Google support, the Play Store, official apps, easy updates, and the entire enterprise level security. And that means that you can download productivity tools, project management apps, or video conference platforms directly on the display. And then we got the conference level in audio video, and for online meetings, you have the built-in HD camera and a powerful microphone array that picks up the voices clearly across the room. So whether you're doing Zoom, Teams, Meet, or any video conference, the remote participants can hear and see the room perfectly. Alright guys, so I'm in front of the M6A Pro, and as you can tell, this thing is very good looking, very modern. It has the wheels at the bottom that you can lock so it won't move anywhere. You have this little tray over here, which is great, so you can put your phone, you can put any notes, any pens, or whatever you want to put in there, or you can put the remote as well. But in here is all the interface that you're going to be using. Of course, you can just search straight from Google right away. You can also use your voice or a Google picture. We have the time and date. If you swipe down, you're going to get some of the settings that you usually get on the Android tablets. You get, the internet, the Bluetooth, hotspot, do not disturb, airplane mode, screencasting, QR code scanning, and the quick share. It also reads everything you throw at it, from PDFs, Word documents, Excel, PowerPoints, images, videos, and you can annotate directly on top of them during the presentation. So it's perfect for workshops, strategy sessions, financial review meetings, or team training. And it's also very easy to save and share, and once you're done with the meeting, everything can be exported instantly via email, QR code, cloud storage, or USB drive, so nobody's going to leave the room asking, "Can you please send me the notes?" And this is also great for daily stand-ups and brainstorming, because your teams can map out the ideas, sketch the workflows, build the timelines, and revise plans, and all live on the board. And it's also great for client presentations because you can walk into the room and cast wirelessly, swipe through the slides, annotate live, and it feels effortlessly and very professional. Now for the remote employees, the built-in camera and mic make the meetings feel more natural, and it's as close as being in the room as you can get. And if you do any kind of training and workshops, the interactive tools make the demos a lot easier. Writing, highlighting, screen recording, and real-time feedback are all built in. So at the end of the day, the M6A Pro replaces what used to require three things: a projector or screen, a whiteboard, and a separate conference system, but now it's all one device that works every time that you turn it on. No cables, no fuzz, just solid productivity. And after spending time with it, the M6A Pro feels like the kind of upgrade that offices didn't know they needed until they actually try it. And it makes meetings smoother, collaboration faster, and the whole workspace just more modern. So if you're ready to modernize your office, or if you want to improve your team collaborations, or you just want your meetings to run a lot smoother, go ahead and check out the Horion M6A Pro, because it's without a doubt one standout option. So that's it from me. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you're gonna grab one of these, make sure that you use our very special discount. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.